Hey guys, Cody with CJC Off-Road, and today we're going to be talking about how to mount a 30-inch LED bar in your Ram bumper. Now this is pretty specific to the 2500 and 3500 trucks due to the tow hook pattern. Behind us is a 3rd gen Ram 2500, and it is sporting our Baja Designs Onyx Arc bracket kit and light. Now this setup is really unique. We built our own bracket that has a shackle mount built in, and it allows a 30-inch light bar to fully tuck into the bumper. And so you can use a shackle, a soft shackle or a D-ring on the brackets so you still maintain your tow hooks. It sits the light completely in there. It comes with stainless mounting hardware. It's a really cool package. We were really stoked to introduce that product, and those are available on our website. Now if you don't quite have the funds for Baja Designs bar or a similar brand, and you get a just typical like kind of generic import light bar, we do have these brackets here. These are going to bolt right behind your factory tow hooks. It allows your factory tow hook to still sit in the bumper, and the light bar bolts to that. Now it's not going to quite tuck as flush as it does on this truck, but it really is the only way to fit a 30-inch with 30-inch light bar on your truck without modifying your factory tow hook and therefore weakening your tow hook. There's a couple guys online who had issues where they would drill the tow hook into their, drill the light into their factory tow hook, and then the tow hook would fracture at that point. So this bracket allows you to mount basically most 30-inch light bars that mount 31 3/8 to about 31.5 inches at the mounting surface. That's something you can check with your light bar manufacturer if your bar fits those specs. These brackets are slotted just a little bit, so it does allow for some variation. Beyond that, yeah, it's a super quick install. We have instructions on our website as well. You basically unbolt the factory bolts. You're going to slide this behind your tow hook, and then you're going to use this hardware, which we include. It's a stainless hardware pack, and you're going to replace your factory tow hook bolts. We do that for 2 reasons. A, the length fits this bracket, spaced behind your factory tow hook, so these bolts are longer. But another pretty trick feature about this hardware pack is these nuts. Now, once you've removed a set of these tow hooks, you're going to know that it is pretty time consuming and pretty much a pain to get the factory bolts and nuts off because it's a lock nut. And so we have the stainless nuts that have a serrated locking flange, which means you can run them all the way down, and then once this has snugged into the material in the back of the bumper, you don't need to put a wrench on it. You can just torque it to spec. So that's really cool, and something we kind of stumbled upon while building these brackets a couple years ago. Also, shameless plug on this truck, it has our fog light brackets built into it also, which allows you to mount any pod light in the fog opening for these trucks. Also super simple installation, and yeah, if you have any other questions or want to see any other LED light brackets, check out our website. These factory replacement setups go for $79.99. The fog light brackets are $75, and the brackets that mount the Baja Designs bar run $150, or you can get the complete package with the bar and brackets for $1,300. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about these brackets or if it'll fit your specific light bar, comment down below. I'll be happy to answer you, and stay tuned for the next one.